In this video, we're diving deep into the filter function in Excel. The filter function lets you dynamically extract data that matches specific criteria. It's a game changer for data extraction in Excel. Learn how to return dynamic lists of records that match your specific criteria. So, what exactly is the filter function? The filter function dynamically extracts rows or columns from a data range that meet the specific criteria you define. Key points to remember are that it gives you dynamic results, is criteria-based, and auto-updates as the data changes. Let's break down the syntax of the filter function. The syntax is equals filter array criteria if underscore empty. The array parameter is the range of data you want to filter. The criteria parameter is the condition that determines which rows to return. The if empty is an optional parameter where you can specify what to display if the filter returns an empty result. Here's a basic example to illustrate how the filter function works. Looking at the sample data from A1 to C6, we have names, departments, and salaries. If you want to filter for the sales department, you can use the formula equals filter A1, C6, B1, B6 equals sales. This formula will return all rows where the department is sales. The filter function can handle multiple criteria using an AND or logic. For AND logic, use the multiplication symbol. For example, equals filter A1, C6, B1, B6 equals sales, asterisk C1, C6 50,000. Filters for employees in the sales department with a salary greater than 50,000. For or logic, use the addition symbol. For example, equals filter A1 C6, B1 B6 equals sales, plus B1 B6 equals marketing. Filters for employees in either the sales or marketing department. Let's explore some advanced techniques with the filter function. One useful technique is using a wildcard search. The formula equals filter A1, C6, is number search, Joe asterisk, A1, A6. Filters for names that start with Joe. Another technique is handling empty results. The formula equals filter A1, C6, B1, B6 equals HR. No HR employees found. Returns a message if no HR employees are found. Let's compare the filter function with traditional methods like AutoFilter. Traditional AutoFilter provides static results and requires manual updates. It also modifies the original data view and has limited formula integration. On the other hand, the filter function provides dynamic results, auto-updates with data changes, creates a separate output, and offers full formula compatibility. Here are the key takeaways to remember. The filter function creates dynamic results that update automatically. You can use multiple criteria with an AND or logic. Handle empty results with the optional third parameter. And it is superior to traditional AutoFilter for formula-based workflows. Use the power of filter to transform your data extraction. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.